Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about JOLSE.com. It's a Korean website that sells skincare and makeup. I will talk about my personal experience. I ordered 2 times from this website and I will tell you how it went and is legit and reliable, first of all, to order it. So let's get into it. And if you're interested in skincare, free stuff and unpacking, you can subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment, and let's get into it. Alright, so my very first order from JOLSE.com was back in August, end of August. They held very nice sale. It was about 80% on some brands, and I got those 4 stuff that I have in my hands. And it was 3 items that's skincare and 1 item of a makeup, which is a lip gloss, and I will talk about each of them very quickly. Whole order was about $40 and also plus shipping. I live in the United States, California, and it took me about 1.5 months to get this order delivered to my address. Before I ordered it, I was kind of nervous and anxious because I went to the Instagram page of JOLSE.com and I read the comments that many people were complaining that this website is not reliable, that parcels are lost and they never reply any emails. But the fact is that I was kind of concerned about that, but then I went ahead and placed my order despite all of the negative comments, and it turned out with little patience that I received my order after 1.5 months. So what happened is that they ship your order like maybe in 2 to 3 weeks, so you have to be patient with them. It also takes time on the border to ship it out, and but the thing is that my second order was a little bit quicker, and I will show my second order later in the video. The thing is that all these items were packed in the box, and the box was sealed, so I will just show you the picture how it looked like. So this one was a Cherry Moisture Lip Glow. I love it so much. I'm really surprised by this lip gloss because my lips are pretty dry most of the time, and when I put it on, my lips moisturize so well. So this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I'm just sharing my own experience, and I didn't read many reviews on this product, and I was like, okay, let's give it a try, and it was about $6 or something with discount, and I'm happy with it so much. Next item in my order was Isntree C-Niacin. So it's an ampoule that contains niacinamide. Intensive brightening solution is 50 milliliters, and I would say that this bottle will last you pretty long time. For example, if you use it once per day. What I like about this product is that it doesn't have smell at all. It has also this pee pad that makes sure that you never touch your skin of your face or anything. So you drop it on your hand and then apply on your face. This one is by MISSHA. Again, I haven't read a lot of reviews on this product, and I was just excited to try it out. It was a very good price. I think it was like $11 or something. C-Niacin was, I think, about $13. I have a combination skin. Sometimes I get oily parts on my forehead and very dry cheeks, so I cannot go with very heavy moisturizers, and this is work very well on my skin. And the thing is that it has a pump that gives you the tiniest amount of the product, and also it keeps your product hygiene. And the next stuff that I got in my order was COSRX Salicylic Acid Daily Cleanser. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see that it's still in the foil. It's completely sealed, so you can make sure how the real one look like if you order it from Amazon or something like that. So I haven't opened it. The reason is that I'm not sure if I'm going to use it because as I said, I have combination skin, and I have read that this can be a good exfoliator if you use it once per week. This one was in my order, and my next order, I was excited to receive it after 1.5 months because I was like, man, girl, this just takes very long time, and I'm just so excited to get stuff from abroad. Let's get to see what was in my second order. So this is how they pack everything, that it's in the bubble wrap, so they make sure that nothing will be broken. So this is my second time that I order from them, and nothing was damaged. So it was wrapped around several times. I ordered makeup. It was pretty decent price. So this is by brand MISSHA. I think something like Mocha, Mocha coffee. I expected it to be way smaller, but it arrived like pretty decent size. So you see on my hand, you can just put your finger like this and put it right away on your eyelids. So I'm excited to try it out. Then I also got this mascara. I think it was around $8 on discount. With mascara, it's not really protected by anything, by wraps or anything. So mascara looks pretty. This is the first time I open it, and yeah, there is no seal, no anything, so it's just like that. And this is how it looks like. So it's a little bit kind of like bent brush. Next one, what I got, I received those two products by Isntree, and what I like about Isntree that they always put a seal on the top, so you can make sure that it haven't been opened. You can also open it from the bottom, and expiration date right here, 2022, and this product is also 2023, and also it has a seal on the top. It has ingredient list. The thing is that with JOLSE is that on the website you cannot get the ingredient list, so you need to Google it yourself, but on the packaging it's always written in Korean and written also in English. So this one, what I got, it's clear skin, 8% AHA essence for normal and dry skin. I haven't tried any of chemical peeling exfoliation before, so this will be my first time. And it looks like as if it's not full, right? The tube, the bottle is not full, but the thing is that I checked the weight. It was more than 100, so I guess it sounds about right that this haven't been used. And I got sunscreen. So this time my order consisted of 2 sunscreens. Brand Isntree, hyaluronic acid perfect sunblock. Everything written in Korean, and here written ingredients in English, all the explanation where it's made, with barcodes and everything. I guess this is chemical sunscreen. This one is physical sunscreen with titanium dioxide. This one is chemical sunscreen. I guess it was about $8. B Lab, I'm sorry, just sunscreen, 50 plus. It doesn't have a seal on the top, but it has protective seal on the tubes, as you can see that. I've heard that chemical sunscreen are not that bad, that made in Korea compared to American ones. So yeah, we will see. And what's the expiration date? It's not written here. It should be written here. Expiration 22/0/25. Right. And the most amazing thing about JOLSE is that they give you lots of goodies. So this is all the samples that I got. The mask with I guess with honey, I guess. Only one thing that's bothering me, but I think it's fine to use one more time, is that this mask contains denatured alcohol. Last time I received also this rice wash. I already tried it out. It smells very good and doesn't strip my skin or anything like that. So it's foaming cleanser. The paper that you can use on your skin, for example, throughout the day. You can like pat it on your face to make it matte, to remove excessive sebum. This one I also tried, charcoal nose cleansing strip. I was not a fan, honestly, so this one I haven't tried it yet. CNP laboratory peeling booster, then the same thing, and this one I guess by COSRX. This is a new sample, I didn't get it before, and this sample by Purito Pure Vitamin C Serum. I have heard that vitamin C by Purito is not good, but I guess in the sample you wouldn't notice it, that it basically turns bad the moment you open it. This is washcloths, I guess, I don't know what it is, honestly. And this one, more samples actually. Prescription skincare for you. It has also samples, so I guess it's something like urology or something like that to treat your acne. Oil cut cleansing, I guess to clean your face and to tone your face. So two samples in the back. It looks like prescription, and I received this like a few days ago, so that was yesterday, so November 6th, and I placed an order October 18th. On October 27th, this one was shipped out, and basically it got here to United States, California, in 9 days. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you get the most useful information about this website, JOLSE.com, and I hope you will make a good decision on ordering from this website, because they are pretty good on discounts and they are very legit and reliable. And if you have a question about your order, you can email them directly. On their website you can find their email, and they will reply to you like maybe in 2 to 3 days, and depends on your time zone, and also weekdays, business days and stuff like that. So just be patient with them. And as you can see, my second order was shipped out like in 10 days, and I received it also in 10 days. So overall it was about 20 days, 25 days to get my order delivered to the state of California in the United States. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. See you in the next videos, and bye bye.